Hello again. So this is the last one I think you guys wanted from that particular paper. It's question number 20. I'm going to start it from the beginning just because it's asking me first of all to draw the graph of y equals to 4x plus 2 for values of x between minus 1 and 3. So here they are. What you want to do is select a couple of values for x and calculate the corresponding value for y. So you guys know I like to choose 0, 1, and 2 for x, for example, because they're easy to work with. And then calculate y. So when x is 0, y is equal to 4 times 0 plus 2. So that's 2. When x is 1, y is equal to 4 times 1, which is 4, plus 2 is 6. And then when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 times 2, which is 8, plus 2, which is 10. So as you guys can see, the values are just going up in fours here on the y-axis. So I'm going to plot these points. So 0, 2 is here, 1 and 6 is there, and then 2 and 10 is here. Obviously, you guys are going to have to plot another one. So another one on this side because it's asking for values of x between minus 1 and 3. So that would be 3 and 14 if you wanted to. And on this side, it's going to be minus 1, minus 2, like that. And then I'm going to connect them with a nice ruler drawn line. In your case, in your exam, for me, it's just going to have to be a hand-drawn line, which didn't come out too bad actually. Next, write down the equation of a straight line as parallel to y equals to 4x plus 2. Parallel lines have the same gradient, so the gradient of this line is 4. That's the slope of the line. As soon as we change the slope, the lines are no longer going to be parallel. So that means I just have to give them the same gradient. So it can be anything. If you want to be smart, you can say, I don't know, y equals to 4x minus 100,000 or whatever. Yep, 100,000. Okay, so any number after the 4x, but the 4 has to be there in front of the x. So y equals to 4x something something. Even y equals to 4x would have been sufficient for that mark. Right, last one. Write down the gradient of a straight line as perpendicular to y equals to 4x plus 2. Perpendicular lines have a gradient that's a negative reciprocal. So the reciprocal of a number, the reciprocal of 4 is 1 over 4 because we take the number and we flip it. So it's like saying 4 over 1. If we flip that, we get our 1 over 4, which is the reciprocal. But it has to be negative. So whatever sign my gradient has, I need to do the opposite of it. So in my case, I'm going to need the gradient of minus a quarter. This is the gradient of any perpendicular line. So again, you can say anything because there are no other conditions. So I'm going to say y equals to minus a quarter x plus 12. And I'm done. All right, so this is the last one I'm going to do. Hopefully you're going to get a calculator paper to practice on soon. I just want to wish you all the very, very, very best of luck. I know you're going to be amazing. Just keep revising and you'll be absolutely fantastic. So good luck everyone. Bye bye.